In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow remote access on your Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to click on the Apple icon. You'll find this type of Apple icon either this corner or anywhere. Or there is another way you can go settings. But the easiest way, just click here and then it will pop up this menu. From here, we have to choose system settings from here. There is another way, you can also click this settings, it will bring the same window. Now from here we have to click the general, this section, and right side you will find different options are there. One of the option is sharing. We just need to click here and then it will be expanded and it will give us different options of sharing. We have to scroll till we find remote logging. So this one we basically need to enable. So by default you will find like this. So you just need to click here and it will be enabled. But it's not like that simple. You also need to change some modification so that other people or you can access this Mac remotely. So what you need to do, you need to press this eye icon and it will bring this window. Now we have to choose the user who can log in. So I'm going to click this plus icon and it will bring like this window. And here I see there is a user FewSteps. So I need to select it and then we have to press this select button to make it enable. And here you will see that user is added over there. Now we have to press done and we can close this thing. And that's it. In this way we can allow anybody or someone to remotely access on our Mac.